Hey guys, and welcome once again to my channel. If you have been here and if you haven't, it is so very kind of you to pass by. I do hope that you hit that subscribe button, and if you are subscribed, make sure that your bell is on so that you get notified whenever I upload. And I do hope that you had a lovely Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, since it is now 2018. And yeah, so today's video is going to be my what I got for Christmas video, and if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first two things that I got are from my younger sister who lives in the Dominican Republic, and my stepfather who also lives in the Dominican Republic. So before I start, I guess I should say that if you follow me on Snap, you know that my younger sister, my mom, and my stepfather have been staying with me. My sister has been here actually since the end of September, and then my mom and stepdad got here on December 15th. So they've been here and they're going to leave in January, and that is honestly the best gift that I got for Christmas, because we actually haven't been with my mom on Christmas since 2000, the year 2000. So it's been 17 years that we haven't been together at Christmas. They have come to visit, but it's usually like in the summer, and so it is the first time that they've been here in the winter, and so they got to see snow, and it's been very fun. And so yeah, I was just explaining that to explain to you that the next two things that I'm going to show you are made in the Dominican Republic. So unfortunately you cannot buy them because they're not made here, but yeah. So my stepfather got me this mug that has my name in the front, and then it has a Bible verse in the back, and then my husband got the same thing, but it's obviously his name in the front, and we have matching verses. So this is super cute. I think this is like a beer mug, but I'm not going to use it for beer, obviously, because I don't drink. I'm just going to use it for ice cold water or soda. So, and then my sister got me this mug, which is so special to me because it says AllThingsPure27 with a little heart and everything, like my logo, and then it says beauty and lifestyle, and it says my name in the bottom. So this is so special to me because I've never gotten anything that's like related to my channel or my YouTube, so that is very cool to have received that mug. And I actually got 3 mugs for Christmas, which is kind of crazy, but I guess people know that I like mugs and I don't collect, but I like cute things. So the next one that I got is from one of my closest friends, and I know that she got it on Etsy, so if you guys are interested, I'm going to try to get the link from her to put it down below, as I'm going to try to do with most of the things. Whatever I can find online, I'm going to link it below, but some things, like I said, are just not sold here, or maybe I just won't be able to find them, but if I can find it, it will be linked down below. And so she got me this mug that says all I need is Jesus coffee and mascara, which is so cute, and it has the little flowers, and then the mascara one, and it is pink. So I love it so much. It is so cute. I did use this one a few days ago for coffee, and yeah, I sent her a picture. She was so happy that I was using it, and I just love it so much. We have in common these 3 things: Jesus, coffee, and mascara. So I love this mug so much, and it is so cute. And then the same friend that got me this mug, we were actually texting around the time that the Sephora VIB reward card was like still active. She was asking me what she should get, and so we got to talking, and I just said, oh, I haven't even used mine, I don't even know what I want, but I know that I want like a luxurious expensive lipstick, something that will be like my go-to, that if I'm traveling I can just take that with me, that if I need something quick I can just put that on. And so I was between a Dior lipstick and a YSL lipstick, and I ended up deciding on the Dior just because I like the packaging better, which is so funny, right? But I really like the packaging of the Dior one better, and so that's what I got. I did end up getting that with my reward, and I got it in the shade that I was showing her that I would get it, and so she surprised me with a second one. And so this one is, as you can see, from Dior, and it is the most beautiful packaging that I have ever seen. And she got me the shade 987 Black Tie. This is what that shade looks like. It's like a dark berry color, which you guys know that is something that I love. And this is especially special to me because she has 2 daughters, which you guys have probably seen a lot on my Snapchat. And so her oldest daughter, which is, she's 4 years old, she's going to be 5 soon, which is insane, but she picked out the shade herself. She said Gianna would like this, and I love it so much, and it is just so special to me. I mean, all of these presents are obviously. Then my mom got me this perfume from Jessica Simpson, and it is the one called Fancy Love, and I haven't even used it. Okay, there you can see a little better. Yeah, it smells nice. Let me show you the packaging. This is what the bottle looks like. I'm trying to show you because I know that the white is kind of, you can't see it very well because it's so bright in here, but this is what the packaging looks like. And yeah, I haven't tried this yet, so I'll update you guys on how I like that. That's what my mom got me. So as some of you guys know from my Snapchat, because that's where I talk to you guys more often and I tell you more personal things, I am a very active member of my church community, and so I am part of the leadership, and I have the privilege of being the leader of a group of girls, young and teenagers, and some are a little bit older. And so some of the moms from that group got me some presents, and the first one, it is this beautiful necklace, and it comes with matching earrings, and the earrings are just like a smaller version of the same circle. Super cute, and definitely something that I would wear. Another one of the moms got me this set of liquid soap and hand lotion from the brand Nest, and again, I haven't used any of this because I've had all of this here on top of my vanity since I got it on Christmas, and it is now the 29th, so I've just had it here so that I don't forget to film, and so that when I film I don't forget to include anything. And so I did smell it, and this smells incredible. The scent is linen, I believe, and I know that I've seen this brand somewhere, so I know that I can find it online, so it will be linked down below. But this smells amazing. It's so nice, and I am someone who always has hand lotion and soap like on my sink in my kitchen and also my bathroom, so that is so appropriate for me, and it smells incredible. So I'm excited to finish what I have now so that I can put those. And then another one of the moms got me this amazing, what is this even called? It is a fragrance cream, which I honestly didn't even know that Victoria's Secret made something like this. Like, I know they make lotions and they make soaps and all of that, but I didn't know that they made something like this. And it is this cream that comes in this gorgeous jar, and this is just something, it is so heavy, it smells luxurious and expensive, and this is just something that you want to have like on top of your dresser or your vanity, because it just looks so nice, so fancy, you know what I mean? And it smells amazing. This is the Bombshell one, and it smells so good, and so I'm excited to try this. But this is just beautiful, isn't it? I did also get a Sephora gift card that I am excited to go use tonight. Actually, I'm going to Sephora to use that gift card, and I got it at a Secret Santa at church, and I'm not sure entirely what I want to get, but I think I want to get a nice blush, probably from either Becca or Hourglass, because the same thing with the lipstick, I want to have like a, so this is like what's happening in my head, right? I want to have like a makeup bag, not separate, but just a collection of items that if I have to travel, if I have to pack something quickly, I can just grab those items and just head out. And so I'm trying to like gather individual items that I can just reach for and that I know will look good, will perform beautifully, and will look great, you know? So that's why I got the lipstick, and then that's why I want a blush now. And so I know that those two brands make a really good blushes, and yeah, I'm just gonna go today and I'm going to swatch everything I see, and then I'll decide. But I think I definitely want to get a blush, so yeah, that's what I'm using the gift card for. Then the last two items that I got are the most pricey ones, I think. They are from my sister and my husband. So my sister got me this beautiful coat from Michael Kors. So some of you, or I think most of you, don't know that about 4 or 5 years ago we actually had a fire and we lost everything. So obviously I had a formal coat before that, but since that fire I just never bothered to get like a formal coat. I just have like the one heavy warm coat that I wear just whenever it's really cold. And so I never got a formal coat after that, and so she got me one now, and it is beautiful. I'm going to insert a picture here so that you can see it, and it is so nice. It fits beautifully. It's very form flattering, and it's very comfortable, very soft. It's not too heavy, but you know what I mean, like it feels warm, but it's not like a super heavy coat, you know. So I'm so excited to start using this because it is so cold right now in New Jersey. It is freezing, honestly. It's so cold, and so I'm excited to start using that. And then my husband got me this thing right here, which I don't really have to say much about. He got me the Apple Watch. So I want to say, I don't know how long ago, but I used to have a Fitbit, and I really liked keeping track of my activity, because if you work like in an office environment, or you know, I edit all day or I film all day, and either way I'm just like sitting down all day. So I really wanted to get a Fitbit to remind me to get up and walk around and move a little more. And so I had my Fitbit and I liked it so much. And also I really like keeping track of my sleep, because I have trouble staying asleep. I move a lot, I wake up a lot, and so it's important to me to track my sleep and track my activity. And so my Fitbit did those two things beautifully. And then one day I just lost it. We went out to like a few stores, and then when I got home I just didn't have it, and it didn't make sense to like go back to all the stores and try to find it. So I just let it go, and I lost my Fitbit. And so he got me the Apple Watch now, which does those two things that I care about, and it does a lot more. So I'm really enjoying it, and that is all I got for Christmas. So that's going to be it. I do really hope that this video didn't come across as bragging or any of that. I am so thankful for everything that I have. I am so thankful for the life that I lead, and we're not wealthy, we're not rich, we're pretty normal middle-class citizens, but I know that I am so blessed and so privileged, and so many people out there don't have nearly as much as I do. So I am incredibly blessed and just thankful. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you had a lovely Christmas, that you got a great presents, and that you had an amazing new year, and that this 2018 is your year. I do really hope that. And yeah, the best gift for me has definitely been having my family here, and I'm just so thankful for that. So again, thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely 2018. Bye.